Mastering indirect requests, favors and assistance with in case. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're diving deeper into indirect requests and offers, specifically how to make indirect requests using in case statements. And, within that, we'll focus on asking for favors or assistance with in case. It's an essential skill that can help you sound more polite and natural in your English conversations. Before we move forward, it's important to understand what we mean by in case. In English, in case is used to refer to possible future situations or circumstances. It's a way of saying, if this happens, or just in case this happens. For example, I'll bring an umbrella in case it rains. In this sentence, in case is expressing the potential for rain in the future. Now, let's dive into how to use in case for making indirect requests. When asking for a favor or assistance, in case can help soften your request, making it more polite. Instead of directly asking someone to do something, you can imply it by stating a possible situation where their help could be needed. For example, instead of saying, "Can you give me your number?" you could say, "Could you give me your number in case I need to contact you?" Here, the in case makes the request seem less abrupt and more considerate. Practice makes perfect, so let's go over a few more examples. Pay attention to how in case is used. 1. Instead of, "Do you have a pen?" you can ask, "In case I need to write something down, do you have a pen?" 2. Rather than, "Can you show me how to use this software?" try, "Could you show me how to use this software in case I need to use it while you're away?" 3. Instead of, "Will you be at home tonight?" consider asking, "Will you be at home tonight in case I need to drop by to pick up my book?" Remember, the use of in case in these examples provides a reason for the request, which often makes it sound more polite and reasonable. And there you have it. Now you know how to use in case when asking for favors or assistance, making your requests more subtle and polite. Practice these examples, and try creating your own sentences using in case. This skill will surely help you become more effective in your English conversations. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, happy learning!